Alright, what's good, y'all? We about to be doing a radiator replacement on a 2014 INFINITI Q50. It'll be the same process, really, for all the Q50s. It'll be a different radiator for the 16 and up, but it's really gonna be the same process, though. Go grab my tools in a second, but let me go ahead and start off showing y'all what you gotta do. So first thing first, you're gonna have to take this little plastic shroud thing up. It's gonna be held in by some little clips. I already took them out because I've been had them out, but it's just held in by some little, I don't know why I can't think of what they call, but the little, you know, the little plastic push pins. Plastic rivets, that's what they are, plastic rivets. That's what it's held in by. You're gonna have you 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and that's it, right? I think that's it. But anyway, I already got them out, so. Anyway, what had happened was, let me show y'all. You see this? I have ended up getting a used radiator. It leaked too, so I ain't even been driving it. But anyway, this is my radiator that I took out. And as you can see right there, that broke off. That's what happened. So I was able to put the hose back on though, luckily. I was able to put the hose back on right on the end, enough just to drive it home. But anyway, let me go and go grab my tools real quick so I can show you what you gotta do to get this done out. It ain't a hard job at all. As you can see, the radiator is right there. It ain't hard. It might take you an hour if that. It ain't hard. So get right back. All right, so the tools that you're gonna need, and this is just like going off the top of my head. It's not an exact. I'll drop it down in the or I'll put it on the screen or drop it in the description. But like off the top, I know you're gonna need some 10 millimeters. You're gonna need a flathead. You're gonna probably need you about a 12. Let me think, 10 millimeters or 12 millimeter. And I don't think you will, but just in case, you might need a 13, you might. But I know, okay, so first thing first, let me show you what you're gonna have to do. You're gonna have to take this off. Oh yeah, you're gonna need you some pliers, some channel locks or something. But you're gonna have to take this off right here. Clip this, take this hose off. This one I already squeezed, so boom. Take this hose off. Take these two 10 millimeter bolts out. And you're gonna pull your reservoir, your coolant reservoir all the way out. Then we're gonna have to take this fan off. We're gonna have to take this off right here. Look like a 12 or a 13. Right here, we're gonna have to take this off. I'm gonna do all that and I'm gonna show y'all though. The fan, that ain't nothing to take off either. It's 10 millimeters. 1, 2, and it's another one right here, 3. 3 bolts like that to take the fan off, and it ain't nothing. Unplug it. I'll show y'all though. Just give me a second. So yeah, I just came into a big problem, which I do. I'm gonna try to use this because I just don't feel like going to the back because it's hot. I do got another 10 millimeter, but if y'all know, if you know how it is with them 10 millimeters. I got like one good 10 millimeter. I got another one for a 1/2 inch ratchet. I don't feel like going to get it, but if I got to, I will. But I just remembered I let my brother use my 10 millimeter. I left it over there, and he ain't brought it back yet. So I got this a few years ago off YouTube. It's supposed to be like a multi-size socket, as you can see. I'm going to try this motherfucker. I'll see if it worked today, because I do not have a 10. Anyway, let me get to work, though. All right, so boom, y'all. First thing first, you got to have a 10 millimeter bolt right here, a 10 millimeter bolt right here, flathead or an 8 or some shit right there. Unplug the mass airflow sensor. Loosen it. Take this all the way off. It just pulls right up. Loosen them. Take that off to get it out your way. Boom. 10 millimeter right there, like I showed y'all for the for the coolant reservoir. Then I'm gonna take these 3 10 millimeter bolts out right there. Then I'm gonna show you how to get the fan out. All right, you got you one plug on here on the fan. It's gonna be, hold up, let me get a flathead or something. All right, there you go. You gotta push that pin in real good. I had to use the flathead to get it, but all right, there you go. Get that out the way. Now, you just pull it. Normally it'll be a little spot where it locks in, and you might have to wiggle it out, but it come right out because the radiator I put in was bent. Alright, boom. So now you got that out. You're gonna come here. You got your two 12 millimeters. Take them out. It's you got some two 10 millimeters right here too. They still loose, like I said from last time, because I put in a bad one and I was gonna take it back out. So two 10s. You got your 10 millimeter right here too. All right, there we go. Boom. Put that with that. All right, now let's mix this come up. And then flip that back, and boom, there you go. Your radiator. All right, you don't want to take these two, unless you're changing your condenser too, which I am not. You want to take these off. It's a 10 millimeter right there and a 10 millimeter right there. So let me take them off. My bad, I ran out of space storage, but anyway, to get a little bit more space, plus you got to do it anyway. Go ahead, disconnect this hose, this line, that one, and that's it. All right, now once you get it out like that, you get these two bolts out. You get your bolt out right here. Get your bolt out right here. Take them hoses off. Only thing you gotta do is take this condenser. There's some little brackets down there where the condenser sit off in it. So just lift the condenser up and pull this out. All right, now boom, the old one out, the new one here. I'm finna grab my You wanna keep these cause the new ones I don't think they never come with these. So keep them. Keep up with them.